Hello friends, this is TEC2000 India. In today's video, we have a Volkswagen Passat with a diesel engine. The injectors in such car are very costly and a single servicing or replacement can run into thousands of rupees. That is why it is very important to use the right diesel injector cleaner to maintain them properly. The customer complained about uneven engine running and reduced performance. To confirm the issue, we first carried out an injector correction test. The reading shows uneven values which indicated that the injectors were not working properly due to deposit. To solve this, we are going to clean the injectors using TEC2000 diesel injector cleaner. For the process, we connect the fuel lines directly to the bottle of TEC2000 diesel injector cleaner with the help of an external supply setup. The engine is then run only on the cleaner for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the cleaner circulates through the injectors, dissolving carbon deposits and restoring proper spray. After 10 minutes of engine running on the cleaner, we check the injector corrector stacks readings again. They already showed visible improvement, proving the cleaning effect had started working. After the full cleaning cycle was complete, we reconnected the fuel system and started the car again on regular diesel. The engine now runs much smoother and injector correction have clearly improved from rough idling to smooth performance. That is the difference with TEC2000 diesel engine. On your screen, you can also see the before and after injector correction test results, which clearly shows how the injector recovered